Hello viewers, another air raid siren in Los Angeles. This is Siren 14. It's a wire spool. It's on Weddington Street and Hazeltine Avenue in Sherman Oaks, California. It's right next to Chandler Elementary School. Another air raid siren next to an elementary school. And there's a map where I'm at. So there's not too many wire spools in the San Fernando Valley. They're more in the LA area, but in San Fernando Valley, there's not too many wire spools. There's plenty of rotatings in the San Fernando Valley, but here, these wire spools, there's only a few. So this one is, the paint is deteriorating. You can't even see the yellow. And then the wires, the drop wire comes down, and the wires are cut right at the insulators below the basket. So this one has no electric. There's the wire right here. So drop wire disconnected. Everything's disconnected on this one. There you go, another air raid siren in Los Angeles. Siren 14, a wire spool. Right here by Chandler Elementary School in Sherman Oaks, California. All right, thanks for watching.